Today, I'm gonna talk about how to use what in Japanese. Let's get into it. Nani, nan. This is something useful when you want to ask questions that begin with what. It can be used in any situation you can think of. Any. But then again, how to use nan or nani will depend if you are in a casual or formal situation. For example, in casual situations, これは何? In formal situations, これは何ですか? In casual situations, 何がおすすめ? In formal situations, 何がおすすめですか? In casual situations, 名前は何? In formal situations, お名前は何ですか? In casual situations, 今何時? In formal situations, 今何時ですか? In casual situations, 何が食べたい? In formal situations, 何が食べたいですか? And that's it for today. In this video, I talked about how to use what in Japanese. Nani and nan is used in tons of situations, and this is probably one of those words that you use in Japan and with your Japanese friends. So go ahead and try it in the comment section below and let's see what you come up with. On this channel, I upload videos about Japanese expressions, so if you're currently studying Japanese, this channel should be helpful. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.